Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for ChatGPT 2025, a process that is both straightforward and quick. We'll navigate each step together, from finding the official website to completing your initial login. There's no need to feel overwhelmed. My goal is to make sure you can begin exploring powerful AI conversations in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and get you connected seamlessly to ChatGPT's latest version. Your journey begins by opening your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and typing in OpenAI. Come into the address bar. Once the page loads, your next step is to locate the clearly visible Sign Up or Get Started button. It's typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the home page. A quick click on this will smoothly transition you to the secure account creation page, where the magic truly begins. On the account creation page, you'll first enter your preferred email address, which will serve as your primary login identifier. Following that, craft a robust password. Aim for at least 8 characters, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Finally, you'll input your full name and your birth date. These details help personalize your account and comply with platform age restrictions. It's all very quick and secure. After submitting your details, head straight to your email inbox. You'll find a verification email from OpenAI. Open it and click the provided link to confirm your email address and activate your new account. Sometimes, for added security, the system may ask for a phone number. If prompted, input your number to receive an SMS verification code, which you'll then enter on the site. This step is crucial for secure access. Congratulations! Your ChatGPT 2025 account is now fully active. Return to the OpenAI website and select Login, using your registered email and password to enter your personal dashboard. Now you're ready to start exploring. Begin by typing a simple question like "What's the weather like today?" or "Tell me a fun fact." Experiment with different prompts and enjoy the incredible power of your new AI assistant. Happy chatting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.